السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. كيف حالكم؟ I hope everyone is so well and everyone is safe. We are learning about نحن نتعلم عن مشاهير الناس famous people. Our do it is to recognize some appearance adjectives, and for our usage we are going to use these appearance adjectives to describe people in masculine and feminine, and for own it we are going to describe famous people with appearance adjectives. To make a quick recap about what we have learned last week, we are going to read this paragraph that includes most of the adjectives that we have learned so far. هذه إيما واتسون. إيما واتسون مشهورة لأنها ممثلة محترفة ولطيفة. Let's translate together. إيما واتسون مشهورة famous لأنها because she is, and we have used here لأنها not لأنه because she is female. ممثلة actress, and then you describe her with the adjective that comes after the noun. محترفة professional ولطيفة nice. And we have used here the connective و because we are describing her with two positive adjectives. In a new sentence, هي قصيرة ورشيقة جدا. هي means she, that refers to Emma Watson. She is قصيرة short ورشيقة fit جدا means very. And we said that the very in Arabic جدا comes after the adjective, so you say رشيقة جدا very fit. A new sentence, هي جميلة, she is beautiful, وجهها بيضاوي, her face is oval. We have used here وجهها, not وجهه, because she is female. Let's start our lesson for today. We are going to describe famous people with appearance adjectives. صفات شكلية. Appearance adjectives. صفات means adjectives. شكلية means appearance. In terms of their eyes, عين, و their hair, شعر. عين means eye, شعر means hair. And as you know, everything in Arabic, it has مذكر masculine ومؤنث feminine. Let's know now each of them in masculine and feminine. The word عين means eye. If I said عينه, it means his eye. عينها, her eye. So you can easily find out that for masculine we're adding hu at the end of the word, and for feminine we're adding ha at the end of the word. عينه, عينها, his eye, her eye. And we are going to do the same with the word شعر, that means hair. If I want to say his hair or her hair, how it looks like. شعره, his hair, شعرها, her hair. And as you see here, we have attached the ha and the ha because the word عين ends in a friendly letter, which is na. But the word شعر ends in a lazy letter, which is ra, so we haven't joined the letter hu or the ha to the word. Let's say it again. عينه, his eye, عينها, her eye, شعره, his hair, شعرها, her hair. We are going to start with عين, the eye, in terms of الشكل, the shape. عينه, his eye, عينها, her eye, should be followed by an adjective to describe the shape of the eye. If it's a wide eye, I would say واسعة. واسعة. ما معنى واسعة؟ Wide. If it's a narrow eye, I would say ضيقة. ضيقة. واسعة. ضيقة. So I can say عينه واسعة, his eyes are wide, or عينه ضيقة, his eyes are narrow. عينها واسعة, عينها ضيقة. So you need to remember that the noun comes first, followed by an adjective, one of these two adjectives. And now, after we described the shape of the eye, we are going to describe اللون, the color of the eyes. How can we form a sentence to describe someone's eyes color? We are going to say لون, the color of عينه, عينها, his eye, her eye, followed by the color which is the adjective. We can say أسود, بني, أخضر, أزرق, رمادي. So our sentence should look like لون عينه بني, for example, لون عينها رمادي, and so on. The word لون followed by either عينه or عينها followed by the color. And now let's describe the shape of the eyes and the color of the eyes in simple sentence in two examples, one masculine and one feminine. We start with ولد. هذا ولد وسيم, عينه واسعة, ولون عينه بني. Let's translate the sentence. هذا ولد وسيم. ما معنى وسيم؟ وسيم means handsome, ممتاز. And then we start describing his eyes. So you need to put a فاصلة, comma, and then you start to say his eye, shape, and then the color. عينه واسعة, his eyes are wide. ولون عينه بني, his eye color is بني. ما معنى بني؟ brown. أحسنتم, ممتاز. Now we move to بنت, مؤنث, the feminine example. هذه بنت جميلة, عينها ضيقة, ولون عينها أسود. So we said before that Wasim is handsome, but what about the girl? How do we describe the girl? Do we say a handsome girl? No, we say beautiful, ممتاز. جميلة means beautiful. And then again فاصلة, a comma. عينها ضيقة, her eyes are narrow, ممتاز. ولون عينها أسود, her eye color is black. And as you see here, there is no is in Arabic, so you just say the noun followed by the adjective, the noun followed by the adjective. أحسنتم. And now it's your turn. I want you for task 1, اقرأ وارسم. I want you to read with me and you draw this, a picture that describes the sentence. رقم 1, هذا أبي. أبي طويل جدا ونحيل. عينه واسعة ولون عينه أخضر. I want you to read the sentence again and stop at each of the parts to complete the drawing. رقم 2, أنا أحب جدتي. جدتي قصيرة وبدينة. عينها ضيقة ولون عينها رمادي. Again, read the sentence by yourself and draw each of the sentence as a picture in your book. And now for task 2, you have a funny picture of معلمة نهى. I want you to صف معلمة نهى. Describe Miss نهى. صف is a verb, means describe. It comes from the word صفة, adjective. What do I want you to describe in this funny shape of Miss Nuha? I want you to say whether Miss Nuha famous or not. What are the character adjectives that you can describe Miss Nuha? Remember, if you are describing Miss Nuha with all positive adjectives, you need to use wa. If you describe Miss Nuha with the negative adjectives, hopefully not, all use wa. If you're going to describe Miss Nuha, again, hopefully not with positive and negative adjectives, you are going to say لكنها, but she is. You say whether Miss Nuha beautiful or not. The height طويلة أو قصيرة. The weight بدينة أو نحيلة. And the eye shape and color that we have learned for today. Good luck everyone. شكرا.